The Youth Train-in-Trades program with the Delta School District is the in-class component of a high school apprenticeship. What do I need to start? Good employability skills and a willingness to learn. Excellent attendance. Each trade has specific essential skills or course requirements in areas such as English, math, or physics. Check your trade program for specific requirements. See your career facilitator for more information and for help applying to the program. When do I start? Some start in grade 11, while some programs are in grade 12. What are the benefits? The school district will pay your tuition for your foundation program. Start your apprenticeship while still in high school. Earn anywhere from 8 to 24 graduation credits. Complete your apprenticeship and earn a good wage by the age of 22. Complete post-secondary education with little or no debt. Delta offers a variety of partnership programs. After high school, how long will it take to complete an apprenticeship and become a journey person? All apprenticeships require 3 to 4 levels of technical and work-based training. Most apprenticeships can take a minimum of 3 to 4 years. For more information on the Train-in-Trades program with the Delta School District, contact your school's career facilitator.